Okay, so, hi guys. Today we are going to be drawing Dave Microwave. So, basically, you draw here a square. It can be it has to be like a rectangle shape because that's the way microwaves are. So you can make eyes. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. By the way, this can be like a counting video. 5, 6, 7. I don't know if you can see this. There's 7, 8. So this is what shoot a quick pause to tell you about how amazing this game developer is, and that quick pause is also used to get up. Well, now I think I just spent all the time of the pause explaining what the pause is for. So anyways, Dave. Okay, so Dave Microwave. Be right back, guys. Okay, so Dave Microwave is like a game developer that makes parody games. I know, original, but his OC is a microwave. So anyways, yeah. So then you're gonna make any mouth there. Sorry if the camera angle's weird. And then you're gonna draw body. That. Those are supposedly legs. And if you think otherwise, then you're probably a gotcha heater that does weird heat stuff. So anyways, you can put any clothes on him in any mouth. And that's basically how you draw Dave Microwave. So here is what I have. So yeah. Wait, hold on. You're gonna make a square around the face. So it looks like a microwave screen. And then boom, you're done. The end.